After lots of tests and vacuuming with our Dyson V8 Absolute, we are ready to do a review, so let's get started. As far as pickup power, I was very impressed in general. With the standard motor head cleaner head, it did fantastic with all sizes of debris on carpet, and did just as well with fine debris on hard floors. However, when vacuuming hard floors with larger debris, you really need the Absolute version, which comes with the soft brush or fluffy cleaner head, because the standard motor head really isn't built for large debris on hard floors. The soft brush is made for hard floors, and it does an amazing job with everything from fine dust to large debris. So as far as pickup ability, I give the V8 super high marks as long as you're using the best cleaner head for the job. Moving on to power. The V8 has a low and a high power setting. On low power, our test showed that the V8 had just a little more power than the new V10 at 964 feet per minute of airflow. On low power, the Dyson V8 was able to pick up the debris from the 1/8-inch crevices on our crevice pickup test, which is something that not many vacuums can do. So even on low power, the Dyson V8 has a lot of pickup power. On high power, the airflow jumped to 1,752 feet per minute measured at the wand. This is pretty high, as demonstrated by it being able to pick up not just the debris from the 1/8-inch crevice, but the much harder to get 1/4-inch crevice as well, and it did so in just 3 passes. Again, very few vacuums on the market can do that. Moving on to battery life. The battery life is complicated for the Dyson V8 because it depends on if you're using it in low or high power, as well as what cleaner head you have attached. For example, on low power with no attachments, the Dyson V8 ran for a continuous 42 minutes and 48 seconds in our tests. On low power with the cleaner head attached, that number drops a little to 33.5 minutes. On high power with the cleaner head attached, you get about 9 minutes of continuous runtime. One thing to keep in mind is that in real life, you'll probably get more vacuuming time than those numbers suggest because of the trigger mechanism, which means that you'll only be wasting battery when you're actually pressing the trigger. As far as weight and maneuverability, the Dyson V8 Absolute is better than any other cordless I've tried. Although the new V10 is only a few ounces heavier, I like the feel of the V8 better. Maybe it's because it's more compact with a smaller dustbin, but in any case, I actually prefer vacuuming with the V8 over the V10, even though they are very close to being the same experience. The bin is about 16 ounces or 2 cups, which is decent for a cordless vacuum, but not as good as the 3 cups on the V10. So yeah, I love the V8 and I think it's superior to any cordless I've tested so far, with the exception of the Dyson V10. I would say that getting the soft brush or fluffy with the V8 is a must, especially if you have hard floors. You can check the links for all the main places to buy the V8 Absolute, and consider a like or a subscription if this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.